Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another sunrise. I hope you're having a beautiful day. A giant storm is coming with the sunrise, which is awesome. We're going to jump in charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum. I'm going to show you my trades. I'm going to show you where I would open trades if not yet. My orders are set down. I haven't ordered yet. Today's the day. How far it drops today is going to be important. If there's some bad news and it drops the market, I'll get in. But in my opinion, it looks like it is bleeding out, to be honest. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. I'm going to be quick before this storm comes. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. Bitcoin straight in. On the weekly, the candle is about to close in 1 day, and it looks like a bearish engulfing candle is playing out. We've got a little bit more time, 1 day left. Let's see how it goes. Stochastic though, and RSI and squeeze mob all heading down, everyone. I teach you how to read these and set these up in the crypto master course, jamescryptoguru.com. But you've got the RSI and the stochastic coming down very strong, and you've got the squeeze mob going red again on the weekly. So just keep that in mind. Coming down very powerfully, in my opinion, on the weekly. I still, in the long, like before everyone goes, but what about 104K? I'm still midterm to long-term bullish. My target is still 105 for the bull run. And what that means is usually after the halving, it's about 560 days until the top of the market. Right now, since the halving, we're about 3 months in, or 100 days. Bigger time frame, we've got that big cup and handle, which is a very bullish pattern, and we've got this bull flag. Short term, it looks like we're pulling back to the support of this bull flag. You can see there. Looks like we're trying to pull back to this area here. The price of Bitcoin could come down, in my opinion, to 48, 49K. Crypto Guru bot, which you get in the jamescryptoguru.com, it's still blue buy, which it fired back in 2023, hasn't fired a sell. That's a great indicator for long term. Bitcoin indicator bot fires very often actually up here, buy sell straight away on each of the weeks, so it's chopping around here. Let's go closer. Wow, the storm is getting stronger. I'll be quick before this, you can't hear me. So we're holding on the last 4 days. You can see it's just holding on to a cliff. Bitcoin just looks like it's trying to hold on, but you can see that is this channel that it's climbing. It goes between 55K, 62K, 56K, 64K, like this. So it is channeling here. And it is trying to hold on, but I think it's going to come down. Stochastic also heading down, and stochastic oversold, but RSI heading down, and volume just very weak the last 4 days. That's why I'm also a little bit worried. Let's go closer into the 4 hourly. 4 hourly, we've got this descending triangle that's kind of forming, and we're trying to get a base here at 57. It could hold on here. This is a descending triangle. Could today break out, possible, but in my opinion, doesn't look so beautiful. And we've got this bigger, if you zoom out on the 4 hour, we've got this bigger symmetrical triangle that's forming. This builds pressure, and then goes with the direction of the trend, which right now the trend is down. So we could, and if you measure out the base of this symmetrical triangle, something like this, if it breaks down, the target lines up perfectly with my 48K. I've got trades at 56 and 54, but to be honest, 56 is very close to where we are right now. It could come down, activate, bounce, I'll close it, then most likely we'll revisit 54. But it is the weekend. We are holding this 59K, so I don't expect it to go much lower. 54K, possible 48K, I would say, is worst case. I don't think we go below 48K, to be honest. So short term, I would still take these two trades. One at 56,500, stop loss 56,200, risk reward 164, risking $297 to make $48,000 per Bitcoin. It opens at 56,500, stop loss 56,200. If you don't know what that means, you need to learn in the crypto master course what I'm doing. This trade 54,800, 54,767, stop loss 54,223, risk reward risking $540 to make $51,000. Where do you risk 543 to make $51,000 per Bitcoin with no leverage? Oh, storm getting bigger. Those are the two trades I would take on Bitcoin. If you want to trade, I'm going to show you my $600,000 account now. Going underneath the video, sign up to Bybit, get a 60K bonus now when you meet their trading requirements. Take the crypto master course to learn all this, and then join us in the Telegram. There's 9,000 of you. This is my account. It's now 609, almost 609,000. 608,999,998. Don't forget, I'm also spending from this card account. So if you go to my card, Bybit, you can get a debit card, everyone. If you sign up with the link down below, when you meet that trading requirement, 60k bonus. But it also has debit cards. So you can connect your Bybit account directly to your debit card and you get auto cashback. You can see I have made $711 auto cashback. I've spent this month 5,600 euro from this account. So far this year, 20,000 euro from this account, and I've withdrawn 3,000. So I've spent like 24,000 euro from this account, from this debit card that's connected to my Bybit. And you can see here, it directly debits from my funding account. So if I want to add more, I just transfer to this funding account from Spot. I just add another 5,000, for example, and then it'll add to my card. You can see here, once I go back to my card, so now I've got 9,000 in here. If I go back to my card, you'll see now my spending power is 7,000 euro. And I got that cashback, 2% cashback on all USDT purchases. So I spent 20-something thousand euro from this card. And again, so I'm spending from this card while I'm trading. So my gains that I make, I'm directly, so you got to take that into account. This account, 608k, I've spent 21k euro from, or 20 whatever k euro from this account. So it'll be like 630 plus I withdrew 150, so it's like 780. So when anyone's saying, oh, but your account, this account was 150, went to 920, but I withdrew a few 100,000 from it in spending. And you can see here my trades. This is when you can see my trades on Bitcoin. I've got 2 Bitcoin at 56,500, 5 Bitcoin at 48,000, 5 Bitcoin at 54,800. So you can see I've got my trades set down, and at 56,500, I just want to take this 2 Bitcoin and then try to close it out in profit, because I do think we could head down. This is the breakdown of my account. You can see here the assets. I've got Bitcoin 0. I'm nearly all in cash. 81% cash, 400k cash, 13% MCRT, some pocket, some Uni, some Doge. So now let's check out Ethereum. Wow, storm is back. Let's check out Ethereum 2,500. Guys, I'm going to leave it at Ethereum because the storm is getting bigger. Ethereum is making symmetrical triangle with bear, so it's a continuation pattern again, which is bearish because right now the trend is a little bit down. This is on Ethereum. Target 2,200, which is exactly where my trade is set up, and that's the same pattern of this rising wedge. You can see this is a rising wedge. Target of this rising wedge would be around here. 2,300 is where I would open Ethereum, and I've got all of these trades set up. You can see here I've got my trades for Bitcoin, and then on Spot I've got my trades for Bitcoin, half 56, Doge going down, Uniswap $4.70, $3.80, $2. I want to check Uniswap. Bitcoin 54, Ethereum 2,300. You can see all the different laddered down orders that I have and my Bitcoin orders. Let's go into, so I'll keep Ethereum at 2,300. Most likely these trades will activate, and at 2,300 it'll buy at 2,098 it'll buy 10 Ethereum. At 2,300 it'll buy 10 Ethereum. Which is beautiful. Let's check out Uniswap now. And then I'm going to read some of your comments. Uni. Where is it? And I got to be quick because the storm. Uni, $5.90. Didn't pull back much, interesting. Broke down that rising wedge that I talked about. Also another rising wedge forming now. And it's still a massive descending wedge in a way. Let's go into the weekly. On the weekly time frame, very oversold, but looks like it's going to most likely spike down. It looks like $5.40, $4.70, $3.80. Good targets to open more, in my opinion. If we quickly get a spike down, most likely we can activate those trades. And don't forget, join us in Telegram. We have 174 of you online, sharing charts. He's sharing a bull flag. They're talking about Jim Cramer on the weekly target 30k. I don't think we come below 48k. Join them in the Telegram, everyone chatting and sharing charts together and discussing, which is beautiful. Let's check out some of your comments. Solana, I really like the way you analyze. Thank you, James. Please do Litecoin. Hello from Russia. Peace to all. Beautiful peace to you. Ken Stark, you're awesome, bro. Is it possible? Aptos, please do your vision on ADA. Stochastic, thank you all. Cubic, I still believe in Cubic. I still own a lot of it. I bought $5,000 worth of it, if you remember, in Santorini like 1 year ago, and then it went like 40 something X. Now it's up like 10x or 12x since I bought it. So that at one point that 5k was worth 500k. Now it's worth like 60 or maybe 100k, which is still good. But long term, I would be accumulating more once it forms a nice support. Lower to 48k, very possible. So let's quickly do Solana, and that's I'll do in the comment section. Solana bull flag. But at the bottom where I would go long on Solana is 111. Bull flag, bullish pennant, but 111 is the best entry on some spike fear down. Thanks for watching, everyone. Again, all the links are down below. Take the courses, sign up to Bybit, get a 60,000 bonus. It's the best exchange. Take the courses to learn all this. Join us in the Telegram. Hope you have a beautiful Sunday with your family and friends. I'm going to wait on the sidelines until those orders execute. I don't want to just jump in and then the orders execute and then the price dumps. Look at this. Wow, beautiful. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.